Good day all, you're welcome to Vince Tech class. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through timeline analysis and sentiment change using the Israel and Palestine conflict dataset. And when we say timeline analysis and sentiment change, we simply means a way of analyzing the datasets over time to observe how sentiments have changed throughout the conflict, and also utilizing natural language processing and time series analysis to identify key events and their impact on the sentiment expressed in the text. We start by importing our required libraries. We import pandas as PD. We import NLTK, which is a toolkit for natural language processing tasks. From nltk.sentiment.veda, we import sentiment intensity analyzer. What this sentiment intensity analyzer does is that it takes in a string and return a dictionary of score in each of the following categories. That is negative, neutral, and positive. Next, we import matplotlib as PLT, which will be used to visualize the sentiment. Next, we load our dataset. This is the location of my dataset. Next, we use the head function to view the first 5 rows of our dataset. And if you can observe from the output, these are the first 5 rows of our dataset with features, the comment ID, the score, the self-text, the subreddit, and the created time. Next, we see the shape of our dataset. This is the shape of our dataset. Next, we convert the time frame into date-time format. Next, we perform sentiment analysis using the sentiment intensity analyzer. Next, we perform timeline analysis and calculate average sentiment score per month. And finally, we plot the results. This is the sentiment change over time. And if you can observe from August, this is how the sentiment have changed from August through January 2024. This is the expected sentiment change by January 2024. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.